As you get ready to purchase a home, I want to talk to you about understanding your budget. Buying a home is a significant financial milestone that requires careful planning and consideration. One of the crucial steps in the home buying process is determining your budget. To make a well-informed decision, you need to assess your financial situation, including your income, your expenses, and your savings. In this video, we'll delve into the details of how to determine your budget for buying a home, ensuring that you find a property that aligns with your financial goals and your capabilities. First, you'll want to assess your financial health. Before diving into the home buying process, it's essential to take stock of your financial health. Start by evaluating your current financial situation, including your income. First, you're going to want to calculate your monthly and your annual income, considering all the sources such as your salary, your bonuses, your rental income, or any investments that you have. Then you're going to want to look at your expenses. Create a detailed list of your monthly expenses, including your housing costs, your utilities, your groceries, transportation, insurance, and then your fund spending. Be honest through this assessment. And then you're going to want to look at your savings. Take stock of your savings, your investments, and other assets you can use as down payments or for closing costs. Then you're going to want to determine your debt to income ratio. Your DTI is a crucial factor that lenders will consider when looking at your eligibility for a mortgage. To calculate your DTI ratio, simply add up your monthly debts, such as your credit cards, loans, and other obligations, and then divide them by your gross monthly income. A lower DTI ratio is definitely more favorable for obtaining a mortgage. Then you're going to want to consider your down payment and your closing costs. When you're determining your budget for buying a home, remember that you'll need to make a down payment, typically a percentage of the home's purchase price, whether it's 3.5%, 5%. Additionally, budget for closing costs, which includes fees for the appraisal, the inspection, the title insurance, and more. Having a clear understanding of these expenses will help you plan accordingly. Then you're going to want to establish your comfort zone. Your budget should not only be based on what you can afford, but also on what you're comfortable paying each month. Factor in your desired lifestyle, your financial goals, and your potential future changes in your income or your expenses. Striking a balance between affordability and comfort is key to a successful home purchase. Then we're going to want to get you pre-qualified for a mortgage. Consider getting pre-qualified from a local lender, preferably. This process involves providing your financial information to the lender, who will then assess your credit worthiness and give you an estimate of how much you can borrow. This can help you narrow down your home search as well to properties that are within your price range. Then you're going to want to create a realistic budget based on your financial assessment that you just did, your debt to income ratio, your down payment, and your closing costs, and create a realistic budget for your home purchase. Be sure to account for not only the mortgage payment, but also for the property taxes and the insurance and any potential maintenance and repair costs that you can foresee. You want to seek professional advice consulting with the financial advisor or the mortgage broker, as they can provide you valuable insights into your budget to help you make those informed decisions. They can assist you in exploring different mortgage options and structuring your finances for optimal affordability. And then in conclusion, determining your budget for buying a home is a critical step in the buying journey. By thoroughly assessing your financial health and considering your debt to income ratio and accounting for down payment and closing costs and creating that realistic budget, you'll be better equipped to make a wise investment that aligns with your financial goals and provides you a comfortable and stable future in your new home. Remember that financial stability and peace of mind are keys to successful home ownership. As we finish out, just a reminder, I'm Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then ring that bell so you can see future videos.